Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a golf bag. We'll start by identifying the most common issues you might encounter, like a slider that won't move or teeth that won't close. Then, I'll guide you through some straightforward, do-it-yourself solutions that can save you time and money. You'll learn practical steps to get your golf bag back in perfect working order, ensuring your gear is secure for your next round. Many zipper problems are surprisingly easy to fix. If your zipper is stiff, try applying a small amount of graphite from a pencil or some wax to the teeth. This often helps it glide smoothly. For misaligned teeth, carefully use needle nose pliers to gently bend them back into place. If the slider feels loose, a gentle squeeze with pliers on its sides can restore its grip, making it function like new. Sometimes, the slider itself is the problem and needs replacing. First, identify the correct size and type of replacement slider. They are typically marked with a number, like a number 5 or number 8. Carefully remove the old slider by cutting the metal stop at one end of the zipper. Then, slide the new slider onto the teeth, ensuring it engages properly. Finally, crimp a new zipper stop into place to prevent the slider from coming off. For more extensive damage, such as a completely torn zipper track, professional repair might be the best option. However, regular maintenance can prevent many issues. Make sure to clean your zipper teeth often to remove dirt and debris. A quick lubrication every few months will keep them gliding effortlessly. Also, avoid overstuffing your golf bag, as excessive pressure is a common cause of zipper failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.